I love Sage because it's a user-friendly product. It enables us to deliver a better service to our clients. We're a solution-driven company that specializes in IT infrastructure management and security management. So we see ourselves as trusted advisors for our clients to help them better their business operations and make smarter real-time decisions. We're a finance team of 4 people. Because of that, you need mitigating controls because you don't have enough people to do everything. With Sage Intacct, we implemented the AP automation, which really has saved our team plus minus 3-4 days in a financial month-end process because it automatically processes the invoices, and that person that used to have to capture everything manually, she can just check it now. It opened up her time to help me, for instance, with more compliance stuff. It's taken a lot of stress off my team and myself as well. Synergy is one of our subsidiaries in the Alviva Group. Without them, we would not be able to do what we are doing.
The implementation with Sintrex went well because they, from the start, knew exactly what they wanted. They knew Intacct was a good fit. We actually built the system with them and we had great buy-in from the management team, but also the end users, and they were enabled when they were live.
We wanted to evaluate the value of the software that we developed. In Sage Intacct, we could customize the time portion to help our staff to capture their time, and then we could get a more accurate value of our software so that we can capitalize it in our balance sheet as per the IFRS statements. Intacct helped us to go paperless, implement more controls. It's easy to customize it, and the accounts payable automation has helped us get better visibility so that we can make real-time decisions on how to grow the business and make Sintrex the company I believe it can be. It changed our lives, and I think I'll always stay a Sage girl.